Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all one of the most requested diet plans of all the time, Monsoon diet plan for weight loss. With the help of this diet plan, you'll be able to lose 5 kgs in 2 weeks very easily. This diet plan works great. My lots of clients have reduced huge amount of weight from their body with the help of this diet plan in this season, and it is very easy to follow. For personalized weight loss diet plan, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss journey. So without any delay, let's get started with Monsoon diet plan for weight loss that can help you lose 5 kgs in 2 weeks super easily. Early in the morning, empty stomach, we'll have ginger turmeric tea. Ginger turmeric tea is very best for monsoon season as it is anti-inflammatory and kills the bacteria of the body itself. Turmeric is a natural immunity booster, hence we'll use ginger turmeric tea. The recipe is very simple. All you have to do is, in a glass of boiling water, add ginger, pinch of turmeric powder. You can also use amba haldi for this, and along with that, you can also use pinch of cinnamon powder. Just let it boil for at least 2 to 3 minutes and you can have your ginger turmeric tea. 15 minutes after this drink, we'll have 5 soaked almonds, 2 walnuts and 2 soaked anjeer. Very important for monsoon season as it regulates your blood pressure and also sustains your weight loss. Now let's proceed towards your breakfast. Breakfast, I'll be giving you 3 options, very simple and definitely fulfilling. The first option is moong dal or suji chila with stuffed paneer in it, along with tea or coffee. If you cannot have tea or coffee because of any reason, you can also skip it and have green tea or green coffee. Moong dal chila and suji chila are very much fiber rich in content, and also adding some paneer to this will make sure you get your protein content of the day. The second option for breakfast is 2 slices of toasted multigrain bread with tea or coffee. Multigrain bread is very easily available in stores these days. You can normally just toast the bread or grill it on a grilling pan. Coming to your third option is very important. If you choose this option, you'll see great weight loss results. It is very easy to prepare. We'll have oats in coconut milk. Now, coconut milk is very easily available in the market these days. If you cannot have that, you can prepare it at home also. It's very simple to prepare. All you have to do is just use fresh coconut and blend it in some water, and you can just strain it. Add rolled oats to this milk and have it. It is very good for your skin, for your hair, for your nutrition content, and also coconut is very essential in rainy season. Now coming back to your mid-morning snack. For your mid-morning snack, I'll be giving you 3 major options. The first one is, of course, fresh fruits. Now jamun, plum, pear, these all are seasonal fruits in the rainy season. So you can pick any of the 3 fruits or 2 fruits from these options and have it for your mid-morning snack. Or if you cannot have this, you can also have 2 slices or pieces of fresh coconut or dried coconut as well. Coconut is very important in rainy season as it is rich in fiber and MCTs, great for your heart health, for your weight loss and digestion. So have 2 pieces of fresh coconut or dried coconut in your mid-morning snack. If you cannot have this, then third option would be halim seeds in a small cup of milk. You can warm the milk and add halim seeds to it. It is very rich in protein, definitely treats your constipation and indigestion, and definitely great for PCOD people also. It is definitely a good source of iron and immunity booster as well. So have 1 teaspoon of halim seeds in warm milk. Now let's proceed towards our lunch. For lunch, I'll be giving you 3 options. The first one is ragi dosa with coconut chutney. Coconut chutney is very simple to prepare, and having it with ragi dosa definitely is fulfilling and also great for lunch. Ragi is again a rich source of fiber and definitely helps lower your cholesterol levels as well. So make sure to add ragi in your diet every day. Second option for lunch is you can have any dal khichdi with curd and salad. The recipe for khichdi is on my channel Weight Loss Kitchen. I'll put a link in the description box below. You can check it out. The recipe is super simple. As you can see, all I have used is some veggies, some dal and some rice. You can have it with some curd and salad. Great for weight loss. I call it weight loss khichdi because it is so fulfilling, and also definitely you can see a number below on your scale the next day. The third option for lunch is you can have any parantha. The recipe for parantha is again on my channel. Here is the recipe. You can prepare it in jaw flour, bajra flour or kuttu atta also. That is the vrat atta. and have it along with curd and chutney. Make sure to add lots and lots of veggies to this. You can add mooli, you can add gobi, onion, whatever is available freshly at your home. Now let's proceed towards your mid-evening snack. For mid-evening snack, you can again have tea or coffee if you're a tea or coffee person, or skip it and have green tea or peppermint tea. In evening, as a snack, you can have fire roasted corn, or which we also call as challi, that is very easily available in the market these days because of the rainy season. It is very fresh and very good source of your vitamin B, which is very important and always deficient in people. So it is also good for your weight loss and digestion as well. So always add fresh corn in your mid-evening snack. You can prepare it at home also or get it from the market as well also. But make sure to add no salt to this, only lemon juice and no butter to this. You can add only lemon juice to this. If you cannot have this, you can also have rice cake, very easily available in the market and also great source of protein, and is extremely tasty and fulfilling as well. Proceeding towards your dinner. Before dinner, make sure to have at least 1 cup of lukewarm water. And for dinner, I'll be giving you 3 options, very tasty and very fulfilling. The first option is ghee tomato soup. The recipe is super simple. All you have to do is in a pressure cooker, add 1 ghee, 1 tomato, put some curry leaves to this and put 2 to 3 glasses of water and just normally whistle it for 2 minutes. Add pinch of black pepper powder, roasted jeera powder, lemon juice to this, no salt again in your dinner. And you can have your ghee tomato soup. If you cannot have this, you can also have chickpea salad. All you have to do is just boil some chickpeas and add cucumber, tomato, onion, lettuce, whatever you can to this salad. Again, no salt, and add lemon juice to this. Third option is stir fry paneer and veggies. Just normally on a grill pan or normal pan, stir fry some paneer and some veggies. Veggies are very easily available in the market. You can add broccoli, capsicum, onion, tomato, mushrooms, corns, and grill it over a pan. Make sure dinner is salt free. And before going to bed, we'll have freshly brewed cup of chamomile tea, or if not chamomile tea, then you can also switch to jeera tea. Jeera tea definitely helps you cut your belly fat and also is great for your indigestion. So always sleep with your weight loss teas. This monsoon weight loss diet plan works wonders if you are having 3 to 4 liters of water. It is very important to stay hydrated entire day and also great for your immunity booster and also to make sure that you flush out all the bad toxins from your body quickly. With the help of this diet plan, you can lose 5 kgs in 2 weeks very easily. So make sure to follow this diet plan A to Z without any cheats. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com and I can start your weight loss journey and we'll have great weight loss transformations. And I'll see you in my next one. Stay healthy and stay fit always.